संस्कृतं पठामः संस्कृतं लिखामः पुरे ग्रामे गृहे कुट्यां संस्कृतं वदामः संस्कृतं लिखामः रचामः संस्कृतगृहं रचामः संस्कृतियुक्तसभ्यसमाजं रचामः संस्कृतियुक्तसभ्यसमाजम् रचामः संस्कृतियुक्तसभ्यसमाजम्.
I welcome you all for the second day class to learn more and more about the Sanskrit letters and their origin also. Now first we'll start with the letters, reading of letters and pronunciation letters. Afterwards we will learn how they take their origin. First of all, I will read the letters and you please follow me and pronounce like I pronounce perfectly. A, I, U, R, R, A, I, O, Au, Aha. These letters are called swaras. Aha are called ayoga vahau. In these swaras, it has a correct way of pronunciation. The first one is A. It should be pronounced with one click of time. A. Second one, A. E. U. R. A. I. O. Au. Here you must identify that whichever pronounced for one click of time are all Hraswa Swaras, and whichever pronounced for two click of time are Dirgha Swaras. So totally Hraswa Swaras are A, I, U, R, 5 Hraswa Swaras. Dirgha Swaras are A, I, U, R, A, I, O, Au. Totally 8 Dirgha Swaras. Totally 8 plus 5. Totally 13 Swaras. 5 Hraswa Swaras. 8 Dirgha Swaras. Now let us come to Ayoga Vahu. Aha. These two are called Ayoga Vahu, 2 letters. Now let me introduce how to pronounce Vyanjanas, that is consonants. Here there are 33 consonants. One is classified 25 and other one is unclassified 8. They are pronounced in half click of time. Ardhamatra kale uchcharyamanaha Vyanjanani. The letters under serial number 3 are totally 25. They are called consonants. In Sanskrit it is called as Vargiya Vyanjanani. Panchavimshati Vargiya Vyanjanani. 25 classified consonants. How 25? You can see here. First one is Kavarga, 5 letters. How to pronounce? K, K, G, G, Ng. Kavarga 5. Ch, Ch, J, J, Ing. This is called Chavarga, 5 letters. T, T, D, D, N. This is called Tavarga, 5 letters. T, Th, D, D, N. This is Tavarga, 5 letters again. Next, unclassified consonants, that is 8 letters. They are under serial number 4, Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H. These are unclassified 8 consonants. Next, the last one under serial number 5 are 6 conjugate consonants. They are Ksha, Tra, Gnya, Lr, La, Shra. Here one thing we have to notice, Lr is Dirghaswara of Lr, but that is grouped under conjugate consonants. So totally it comes to 54 letters in Sanskrit. So first group Swaraha 13, Ayoga Vaho 2, Vargiya Vyanjanani classified consonants 25, Avargiya Vyanjanani 8 numbers. Next, conjugate consonant 6. All these letters together are 54. You can understand the richness of Sanskrit literature by this. Now let us come to how these letters take their origin. The first one is, first it is clearly explained by Panini in different ways. Each one is called a formula or a sutra in Sanskrit. The first formula is Akuha Visarjaniyanam Kantaha. That is how you have to read. Akuha Visarjaniyanam Kantaha. Here the letters included in this formula are A, 2 letters, and 5 letters of Kavarga. They are K, K, G, G, N. 5 letters. 5 plus 2, 7. Then Ha. That is 8 letters. Totally 8 letters. They are produced or take their birth. Here, Kantaha. Kantaha means it is neck, or you can call it as throat also. There is no harm in it. So you can feel the vibration of all these letters by keeping your finger exactly near the neck. If you pronounce that only, the correct pronunciation comes. The next formula is Ichu Yashanam Talu. Here E means first one letter E, 2 letters E and E. Chu means Chavarga. That is 5 letters of Chavarga. Cha, Cha, Ja, Chu, Chu, Ju, Ju, Inge. Chavarga. So that is 5. Then Ya, Sha. Yashana means Ya and Sha. These 2 letters. So totally it amounts to 9 letters here. You can find out. They take their birth in palatals, the upper part of the jaw, upper jaw. That is called as palatals. Next one is Ritu Rashanam, Murdha. This is upper part of head. These letters are R, 5 letters of Tavarga, that is T, T, D, 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 Tavarga 5, then Ra and Sha. This totally comes to 9 letters. So they take their birth in the upper part of head. Next, Sutra, that is formula, Lritu Lasanam Dantyaha. Lr means this Hrasaswara Lr. Tu means 5 letters of Tavarga. These are the 5 letters. T, Th, D, Th, N. 5 letters. Then La and Sa. Totally here also 8 letters take their birth from Dantyaha. Dantyaha means teeth. Next one is 5th sutra, that is 5th formula. Upo Padmani Yanam Ostau Upu Padmaniyanam Ostau. You can clearly feel. U means U, two letters. Pa means Pavarga, full 5 letters of Pavarga. That comes to about 7 letters. So they take their birth with the help of lips, origin with lips. So Ostau means lips. Next, we'll come to the 6th formula. Vakarasya dantastam. Va. When you pronounce va, you can easily feel that va touches the teeth. Va touches the teeth and support is given by the lips. So lips and teeth together produce the letter va. So this is called as teeth is danta. Ostya means lips. So dantostyam means with the help of teeth and lips, the va is produced. What is taking birth. Next one is in here only one letter here. Va is only one letter. Next, inya ma nga nananam. Inya ma nga nananam. Nasika cha. Nasika means nasal with the help of nose. Here, inya, the first one. Here, nga. Next is inya, inya and nga. Next, ma, na, na. Nga, inya, ma, na, na. 5 letters of all the Vargiya Vyanjanas. That is, classified consonants have ending letters. 5. Each one have one nasal. Nga, one nasal. Inya, na, na, ma. These are totally 5. They come under Nasikacha. They are called nasals. Fine. These are 5 letters. Next, ye, daito, kantatalo. Ye and I. Ye, I. Ye, I. They are called as kantatalo. Kanta means that is the throat. Talo means again palatal. It's with support of throat and palate. Together they produce 2 letters, A and I. Then O dauto kanto ashtam. O and O. O dau means O and O. Kantoshtam. Again same thing with the help of throat and lips. That also takes their birth with throat and lips. Here also 2 letters. The last one, is called anuswara. It is nasal. You cannot pronounce without taking the support of nose. Suppose you hold firmly in you cannot pronounce. It will not come at all. You can experiment it if you want. Then aha, it is called visarga. Visarga in Sanskrit and in English unmodified sibilant. Is anuswara in Sanskrit, nasal, it is grouped under nasal group. So like this, all the letters of Sanskrit are with the formulas. How to be pronounced is very much clearly defined in the Panini Sutra. Therefore, you must be very much grateful to Panini for having given such a beautiful explanation of all these letters. So, the next tomorrow we will have the next class. We will discuss some more details of Sanskrit version of different lessons, and you can also note that the lessons along with Sanskrit lessons we are going to teach science and math subjects also, both online and offline. Whoever interested can contact us on the address available on website. With this, I conclude today and thank you all. One more announcement for your kind reference. We are publishing a book which clearly explains the method of writing the alphabets. You can see here, this is published under a title Samskrita Varnamala Abhyasam. You can see this. It is clearly explaining the method of writing each and every alphabet. Perfect, which shows the direction of movement of each letter, the curves, the vertical lines, the horizontal lines, wherever necessary, all are perfectly explained in this book. And whoever takes this book and practices these letters Definitely you can learn this within a matter of 2 to 3 days. We are very sure about it. Therefore, whoever is interested, you can again make a reference to us on call to the concerned address given to you and take the support.
संस्कृतं पठामः संस्कृतं लिखामः पुरे ग्रामे गृहे कुट्यां संस्कृतं वदामः संस्कृतं लिखामः रचामः संस्कृतगृहं रचामः संस्कृतियुक्तसभ्यसमाजं रचामः संस्कृतियुक्तसभ्यसमाजम् रचामः संस्कृतियुक्तसभ्यसमाजम्